Alright, y'all, this is Chris, aka Big Chill, out here running a diagnostic on a no AC fall. I went ahead and turned the thermostat on when I got here, set it on cool, set the temperature down so it wouldn't kick off on me. Check the indoor unit. The indoor unit fan is running. The filter was dirty. I went ahead and took it out so I could go ahead and test it. I can tell you just by the sounds of it, it sounds like the compressor is not running, but the fan is. So I'm going to open this thing up and we'll see what's going on. Very tight access. Here when they put a back loose. To confirm my suspicions here. .68 amps tells me that the fan's running, compressor's not. Out. Thank goodness that it is still a little chilly outside right now. If that sucker was full, oh my goodness. All right, now that I got the disconnect out, I'm going to go ahead and discharge this capacitor. All right, we're good to go there. I'm going to go ahead and get it unhooked. I'll go ahead and remember the wires. The orange ones are common. Easy enough. Purple's compressor. Brown is the fan. Good. Check this capacitor. Alright, check the capacitor. I got my meter set for microfarads. I'm going to go ahead and check from Herm, which is the compressor, to common. 6.689. Thing is rated for 35. Let's go get another one and put it on. Alright, I got my new capacitor here. I always like to just test them out as well before I throw them on. I got my common and my Herm. 34.55, rated for 35. So we'll go ahead and get this thing on. To put this thing on it, the other one had a little flimsy strap up here. Looks like someone had replaced. I'm going to go ahead and put on a nice little compressor shelf or capacitor shelf bracket. So I'll go ahead and get that on real quick. Be right back. Alright, we got our capacitor in. Now we're going to go ahead and put our disconnect in. See what happens. Compressor's pulling 7.2 amps. 1.7 amps. Take a look at our ratings here. Fans pulling rated for 0.8, 1.7. Compressors pulling 7.2, rated for 14.1. So everything looks good with that. Got that nice compressor little shelf in there. We're good to go there. All I got left to do is go ahead and check the refrigerant levels, but most likely this one is good to go. All right, I got the covers back on. The refrigerant levels were good. I went ahead and dug these puppies out of the disconnect. You're welcome to the next guy who has to work on this. That's it from here. If you guys got any more content you want to see, any more videos of me working, so leave it down here in the comments. All right, we'll see you later. Big chill out.